Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your BMW EML light. First, understand that the EML light signals a problem with your engine's electronic throttle control. If it illuminates, safely pull over and turn off your engine. Wait a few minutes, then restart your BMW. Sometimes, a simple reset can clear the light, especially if it was a temporary glitch. If the light stays on, further investigation is needed to diagnose the underlying issue. Several common issues can trigger your BMW's EML light. Often, a faulty throttle body or accelerator pedal sensor is the culprit, directly impacting throttle control. Vacuum leaks in the intake system are another frequent cause, disrupting the air-fuel mixture. Less commonly, but still possible, are problems with the engine control unit itself or damaged wiring. Identifying the exact cause is crucial for an effective repair. To diagnose the EML light, start by checking for loose or corroded electrical connections, especially around the throttle body. Also, carefully inspect all vacuum lines for any visible cracks or disconnections, as these are often easy fixes. For more precise diagnosis, use an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner to retrieve specific fault codes. These codes provide valuable clues, guiding you toward the exact component that needs attention or replacement. If your EML light persists after performing basic checks and clearing codes, it's time to consider professional help. Complex issues, such as internal throttle body failures or ECU programming, require specialized diagnostic tools and expertise that most home mechanics don't possess. Ignoring a persistent EML light can lead to more severe engine damage or even leave you stranded. A professional can accurately diagnose and repair the problem safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.